I want to say to you members of PDP, and indeed to you Nigerians outside there, that make no mistake about it, we are returning the party to you, the people. There will be no more impunity. There will be no more suppression of the will of Nigeria. We shall open our ears wide open to listen to you, to determine what you want, and what you want is what we shall give you. Gone are the days when monkey will walk and baboon will choke. If baboon wants to choke, then baboon must be seen to be walking like monkey. Number two, on behalf of myself and my colleagues, I want to assure our team members, and indeed you Nigerians outside there, that from this moment on, in whatever we do, there is fairness, there is transparency, there is equity, and there is justice. Because he who comes with equity is come with dignity. What you have done to us, the cross is given up, means that you want us also to take it completely. And that we shall do. We are not under any illusion that the task that has been placed upon us is a simple one. Our party is at crossroads now. And we are up to the task. We are up to the challenge. Very soon, we shall be rolling out what our guiding principles will be and models of 2040 same. And when we do that, we can be hitting the ground running from day one. But in all this thing, we want to assure our team members outside there, those that feel they have been aggrieved, and we don't care whether those grievances are genuine or not. Those that have now engaged in Sidon loop, and those who are opposed to leave the party again or whatever, we have got enough time. We will bring you back because the process of rebuilding, reconnecting, reuniting, extending this party is every one of us. So we will ensure that nobody there. Go out, we will come to you, we will come to your homes, we will come to your cities, we will come to your towns, we will appeal to you to come back, because the task ahead of us, and that task is saving Nigerian democracy. That task is saving Nigeria from imminent crisis. We need support and cooperation of every leader in this task. As a very senior member of the bar, let me say this to my constituencies. Sometimes they have bleed to see the judgment that comes out. The most important institution in every democratic sector, Nigerian judiciary. We will therefore be urging our judges, just as you are asking Nigerian politicians to respect their rules and respect the provisions of their constitution, we Nigerian politicians will also be pleading with you to respect your rules and respect the principle of stare decisis. We feel that is not necessary for any judge that has been sworn to uphold the Constitution to refuse to be guided by the decisions of the apex court. Nigerian Judiciary and indeed Nigerian judges have no business getting involved in matters that are exclusively or intrinsically political. Please save the judiciary. Don't get involved in matters that are purely political. Whatever that belongs to God, give it to God. And whatever that belongs to Caesar, give it to Caesar. When we do that, this democracy that a lot of our founding fathers had fought hard, even at great tasks. Some of them have lost their lives. Please do not, either directly or indirectly, or whether wittingly or unwittingly, put yourselves in a situation where, rightly or wrongly, it may be assumed, again, whether correctly or incorrectly, that you are part and parcel of the process to truncate Nigerian democracy. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the day has been fast spent, and this is not a time for long speeches. So I want to once again thank our people, our delegates, for reposing this confidence in us. No doubt the task is arduous, but I want to assure you that you have not made mistake in choosing us and giving this responsibility to us. We will deliver, and we are going to deliver by the special grace of God. PDP! PDP! Power to the women, power to the youth, power to Nigerians. It shall be well with Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, the proud new chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Turaki, SAN. Please stay. Please, I would like at this time to welcome to the microphone DJ, please. DJ. Thank you very much, Governor Bala. Appreciate you, sir. Governor Sheikh, thank you very much for a wonderful host. I'd like at this time to welcome to the microphone distinguished Senator Ben Obi to move a motion for the closure of the convention.
Your Excellencies, and dear leaders and delegates, before I move the motion, I need to also state that the Department of State Security and the Nigerian Police Force are directly associated with the National Electric Convention. Having said that, I, Senator Dan PDP, Secretary of the National Convention of the Electoral Committee and Secretary of the Electoral Committee, hereby move motion to put an end to the Ibadan 2025 National Electric Convention, and I hereby so move.
Thank you very much, I dismiss Senator Ben Obi. And to second to this motion, I'd like to welcome Professor Sylvester Oyemi.
Standing on the existing protocols, I, Sylvester Oyemi, unapologetic member of the People's Democratic Party of Nigeria, wish to second.
Please put your hands together for them.
We will put the motion to question. Those who support the motion that this vibrant and reinvigorating convention of the PDP 2025 the memorable one in Ibadan should be closed as seconded by Prof.Mgbeke and moved by Professor Obi. Say aye. Against any, they are not here. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much. With that, please, wherever you are, as we renew our allegiance to the green white banner, a banner and the People's Democratic Party have stood for from day of inception and will continue to spark stronger. The national anthem, please.